Hi, I am Ken M. Maranan, a fifth-year chemical engineering student of the University of Santo Tomas. I am here to present to you the Tomasian attributes that I have acquired during my 5 years of studying chemical engineering. Being a Tomasian, I have joined the UST Human Cross, which happened last March 9, 2011. The whole Tomasian community formed the largest human cross in the world set by the Guinness World of Records. The cross symbolizes UST's Catholic and Dominican identity. This can show how we Tomasian value our faith. It is also Ash Wednesday during this activity, so we attended the Ash Wednesday Mass before the formation of the cross. During Ash Wednesday, foreheads are marked with the ashes to humble our hearts and remind us that man is dust and unto dust you shall return. Ashes help us develop a spirit of humility and sacrifice. I have also attended many recollections and retreats during my stay in UST. The retreats that I have attended was the Crossroads retreat by the Christ Youth in Action and the retreat for the graduating students. In retreats, I was able to reconnect with God, ask for His forgiveness for my sins and shortcomings, and thank Him for all the blessings He had given me and my family. This was also an opportunity to clear the negative thoughts that I have in mind due to our daily life and replace them with positive and good outlook in life. I have also attended my first Simbang Gabi in UST when I was still in first year college. I enjoyed hearing the Mass with the new friends that I have known in my college life. We have also witnessed a role-playing where the theme is Pagsalubong sa Pasko, where they presented the birth of Jesus. For my commitment to the nation, I participated a disaster training activity and I had known what to do in times of disaster. This activity happened during our CWTS course when I was still in second year college. This let us help people who are in need, and we also visited youth in Maragondon, Cavite, and we taught them the basic things that they need to know like the alphabet, numbers, and we even play with them. I also came from a family of politicians, and elections are really important for us. As of now, I already voted 3 times. I have practiced my right in selecting the best people that will serve our nation. It is important that we choose the right and the best leader that will help us in improving the government, our country, and those that who are not corrupt politicians or do any harm for the Filipino citizens. I also participated in ABS-CBN's Boto Mo Ipatrol Mo campaign. This encourages individuals to post or show the public the results of the election or just call the attention of the citizens regarding on the events and issues in our country. Then, for the proof of my compassion to the poor and disadvantaged, I give money to street children roaming around the streets singing Christmas carols. I really love caroling, especially if children are the ones doing it. I even sing with them and ask them if they will also give me money since I have also sung for them. Also, during my second year in college, I joined Christ Youth in Action, and one of our projects in CYA was to visit a home for the aged and give them food. We spent the afternoon talking with them and took care of them. I learned things from their experiences and was touched from their stories in life. How did they feel about being in the home for the aged, if they miss their families, and other stories. It is very fulfilling to show compassion for the poor and disadvantaged. I am very happy that even in just one ordinary afternoon, we have made them forget that they are not alone and that they can still enjoy life. Then, for my active concern for contemporary local and global issues, we had a tree planting activity near La Mesa Dam as a project in our social teaching of the church course. Tree planting is important since trees clean the air that we breathe, it provides oxygen and cools the streets and the city. Trees are also a help in preventing soil erosion and they provide food and shelter for other animals. This activity can be a solution in the country's problem of for pollution, soil erosion, and other environmental benefits. Another activity in our CWTS class was the coastal cleanup. We had a coastal cleanup in Maragondon, Cavite where we have removed the dirt and unnecessary materials in their shore. It is also for increasing the tourism and recreation brought by the beauty of the beach. Then, we also participated in the Run for Pasig River. Running for the Pasig River is a yearly event in the Philippines. Through this event, I have shown my concern for local issue, just like the Pasig River rehabilitation. I have helped to improve environmental management with wastewater management and urban renewal. The rehabilitation for Pasig River was implemented to avoid floods and to minimize or remove the waste flowing in the river.